State your next witness.
This goes with the cop.
Detective John Guillott.
Do you solemnly swear that the testimony you give in this matter will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
You could please be seated, state and spell your name for the record.
Detective John, John, Guillott, Guillot.
You a detective with the Milwaukee County Sheriff's Office?
I am, yes.
How long have you been with the Sheriff's Office?
Approximately 9.5 years.
Did you participate into the investigation of a reported missing person, Sade Robinson?
I did, yes.
At some point early on in the investigation, did you come to learn that she lived at 1858 North Commerce Street?
Yes.
In apartment 309?
That's correct, yes.
Did you ever personally go to that apartment complex?
I did, yes.
And did you become aware through your investigation that she had a job?
That is correct, yes.
She was reported missing on or about April 2nd, correct?
That is correct.
And where was the job she had last worked, to your knowledge, prior to being reported missing?
Ms. Robinson worked at Pizza Shuttle, which is an establishment on the east side of Milwaukee. I believe the actual address is 1827 North Farwell Avenue.
That's not very far from her apartment, fair to say?
Correct.
You could just go up Commerce Street East, hit Humboldt, and get there pretty easily, correct?
That is correct.
Did you go to Pizza Shuttle at any time to attempt to get video?
I did. When I went there, I spoke to a general manager and also obtained video from her last shift at Pizza Shuttle.
What was the name of the manager you talked to?
The gentleman's name was Philip Wilder.
You said you got video from her last shift. You were informed that her last shift was on April 1st. Is that fair?
That is correct, yes.
So the video footage you would have been collecting from Pizza Shuttle would have been from April 1st?
Correct.
Were you aware whether she showed up for work the following day?
She did not.
Okay, so no video from that day, just April 1st.
That's correct, yes.
I'm going to pull up on screen here. This is exhibit number 37. While that's coming up, were you also aware or made aware at any point of what kind of car Ms. Robinson had?
Yes, it was a Honda Civic. I'm not exactly sure what year the Civic was, though.
Okay. I've got exhibit 37 on screen. The video title is titled Cam 6 2024 41, timestamped 9/15/36 at the bottom. Are you guys getting a glare? Are you good with that TV where it is? Okay. Okay, detective, what are we looking at?
We are looking at the, I guess you can call it a parking structure underneath the Pizza Shuttle. It's just parking. And again, that's underneath the actual restaurant itself.
And this is the video from Pizza Shuttle you recovered?
That's correct.
I'd move exhibit 37 in.
Any objection?
No.
37's received.
The layout of Pizza Shuttle, we've got this parking structure, which would be, or parking slab, if you will, on street level, right?
That's fair to say, yes.
And then when you would go out off to the left side of the screen here, that would be Farwell?
That's correct, yes.
There's a stairway that leads from Farwell up one floor that gets you into the restaurant.
That is correct, yes.
Out the back here, that's just an alley, right? Even though you can't see it because of the glare here?
Correct.
Okay. Off to the left here, what is this that I'm circling?
That's Sade Robinson's Honda Civic.
I'm going to play this clip. It's less than 2 minutes. What are the shape of her taillights?
It kind of resembles like the letter C. You can notice that specifically when the taillights are illuminated.
Is that her getting out?
That is correct, yes.
Nobody else gets out of the car?
Correct.
All right. And the direction she's walking would be to get to the staircase to go up to the restaurant?
Correct.
Stop that clip at 50 seconds. I'm next going to play camera 3 from the same timestamp. I'm going to advance the video to 50 seconds. Oh, sorry. I'm just going to use the fast forward here to get to 50 seconds, but while that's happening, Detective, this is essentially the staircase we were just talking about, right?
Correct. So essentially, you have the parking structure on the bottom. You walk out towards Farwell Avenue, and those staircases that you see to the left are essentially what you walk up to enter into Pizza Shuttle.
This would be right after she left her car.
That is correct.
Are you able to tell or provide a description of her clothing?
Yes, Ms. Robinson's wearing what appears to be blue jeans. They appear to be having some kind of cuts in them. And then she has a black puffer jacket and then some type of white shirt.
All right. Sort of like a cable knit sweater?
Yes, that's correct.
What kind of coat?
I would classify that as like a black puffer jacket.
Shoes?
White in color.
And she's carrying a large purse, correct?
That is correct, yes.
So she arrives at work at around 9:16 in the morning?
Correct.
And lastly, I'm going to go back to camera 6. This is camera 6 at 16:57:37 on April 1st, 2024. So this would be what?
Again, camera of the parking area of Pizza Shuttle. And that you can see currently, you can see Ms. Robinson's Honda Civic.
What time is this at?
16:57.
So just before 5 p.m.?
That's correct, yes.
Okay. Playing this clip, it's 2 minutes, just over 2 minutes. I'm going to fast forward here. Appears she's sitting in her car, fair?
Correct.
All right. And now an employee coming up to talk to her?
Correct.
Clock just past 5 p.m., right?
Correct.
And her taillights come on. She's pulling out of the spot, correct?
That is correct.
Employee waving bye to her.
Correct.
And that's the end of the clip.
That is correct.
So based on that, it looks like she showed up for her work shift sometime a little after 9 a.m. and left pretty much at 5 p.m.
That is correct, yes.
Is that consistent with information you received from meeting with that manager at Pizza Shuttle?
Correct, yes.
That's all.
Cross?
No.
Thank you.